everyone, my name is Amiliyaa Syed and I'm back at AskAmiliyaa with another video of mine in a series which is talking about Indian education system and what really need to change. What is something that we need to change immediately or urgently? Well, I did speak about a particular topic in my previous video. So if you haven't seen that, please go and check it out. I will post the link in the comments. But then now today I want to talk about something very important. It is our bias and prejudice towards subjects. Now you must be laughing and probably wondering why I'm talking so, or what do I really mean by that. So for example, you might have heard some people say, oh, I am a science student or a mathematics student or a student from physics stream. So overall, they are looked upon as if they are very genius. But if I say that I'm a humanities student or I have taken up subjects like political science, English or Hindi literature, then there's a slight expression that comes in people's voice and maybe face that, oh, okay, that's fine. Oh, you really just managed to do some things. But that isn't the case. Studying any subject or any topic needs equal amount of focus, concentration, interest, and rather a kind of knowledge that person gains in that whole process is totally different. So we cannot compare a humanities student to a science student or a mathematics student. It is totally different, and it is on the choice of the student what they want to learn or what they want to educate or pursue as a career in the future. Hence, they will want to study that particular subject. So if I do not want to become a scientist or a doctor or an engineer, why would I pursue topics on science and mathematics or physics or chemistry? So we are just continuing to survive in an education system where it is more about particular stream of topics which are looked upon as very valuable, of very high prestige, and students are literally pushed to take that stream. Now the families, the parents and the guardians or the people around also say, oh really, if you take up science, it would be good, people will actually value you or look at you, or rather it would be a great subject to work on. However, the whole approach should be as to what is the student's or the child's interest, which topic they'd want to go ahead and take over in life as their maybe foundation for their career. So what happens is in this whole process, the students become like a machine, and what they do is just try and mug up or learn things which they really don't intend to. And what I believe that students should rather be pushed to something that they like, they would want to create more out of that topic or subject, something, and they will be also be given an opportunity to understand the difference as to why and what should be chosen. So at quite an early age, an understanding of what they want to do in life, what is their interest, should also be encouraged, or rather I would say in a way facilitated, so that they are able to learn what they really want to learn. So if I go back, I had learned so many formulas of chemistry, physics, maths and science. All those years which I studied and I learned everything is not much of use in my career. I'm not saying it is not of use in my life. Of course, I have a better understanding. I know I have a better knowledge of all the subjects. But going deeper into studies, into such topics, is not of help to my career literally. Had I been given an opportunity or made aware of the fact that what helps me to learn better, to make myself a better person for or ready for that career or a growth opportunity in future. So somewhere around my class 10th or 12th, if I had been given a clear understanding, I would have been much more clear as to what I can do, what I want to do, Because at one point of time, your father wants you to become a doctor, your mother wants you to become an IAS officer or something else, but then where's your choice? And that is where the subjects should be looked at with equal value, equal respect, equal dignity, and given equal treatment by the teachers, by the family, by the parents, and everyone around to help student choose the right one. I hope it helps you, and if it does, do let me know in the comments, and I will come up with my next video soon. Thank you.